So here are my eggs that I just made. I know it doesn't seem anything special right now, but instead of using, the last little while, instead of using pepper, I've been using dill weed, and it's actually pretty nice. Kind of unexpectedly good. I'll just show you what to look for. So it's that stuff there. So if you use that instead of pepper, it's actually a pretty nice flavor. And then I've gotten to the habit of using some ketchup, sriracha sauce, and olive oil, sorry, not olive oil, some mayonnaise, whatever mayonnaise you want to use. And oh, it's so good. And just mix that in a bowl. There we go, there's the three amigos. And voila. You basically make it like cereal. And then you just use a spoon. You use a spoon, you can just mix it around a bit, and then you have an awesome little treat. If you don't want to eat, if you just want to make something really quick and you don't want to do a whole anything really special, this tastes fantastic. So yeah, there's my little experimental tip for the day. Have fun.